All right, new week, Monday morning. It's a gorgeous Monday morning. We've got about 3 bays of trusses to put up. I'm working on this I-beam here. This is for our 24-foot door that goes right here. So I got my Spectra laser, gonna get that turned on, and I'll get my jam post exactly where they are on grade, and I'll transfer that mark to the post, hook them up to either side of this beam, stand it up, and then that will lock off this area for trusses. So then we're gonna have to pick up our trusses, bring them up this ramp I made last week. So hopefully I did a decent job. If not, there's still some more gravel down there I can use, but then we'll come right in and install them. So once that's done and the trusses are trussed out and installed, then we'll stand up this end wall and hopefully wrap up these trusses today. Second of the doors put up. This is the 24-foot door. So we just stood this wall section, put our jam post in. Now we will do our connections up at the post, and then we're ready for trusses. We can truss out the rest of the building. Love that truss symmetry. Truss is going good. A little bit tricky getting this last truss in. Had to do a bunch of wiggling, get it in through the door, but we got her in. Now it's time to get these purlins ran so we can maybe get that last base started. I don't know that we'll get it done. Crap. Forgot to pick Zach up. Sorry, dude, forgot ya. Whew, here we go. So one thing you may notice is that maybe there's less wind noise in these videos. From this point on, I'm gonna try. I got one of those roadie like wind socks, looks like a big old puffball on the top of your camera hooked up to the microphone. Hopefully it works. Maybe you'll even see it. See, you can kind of see it right there. I try to keep it out of the way. But anyway, we got our last truss up or our last intermediate truss. It was a little hairy. This driveway I made didn't end up being exactly where I wanted, so I had to drive over here. A little soft, but we got her done. We got it up. Now we'll go ahead, we'll get this wall. That is a wall, just in pieces. We'll get it put together and stand it up, put our last truss on. Truss on, walls up. Got to do the door header over there on that side. It's looking good though. We're gonna go grab some lunch.
You got excited again. It's nice getting any size bang for your buck.
Just all of our lumber's gone. Get our overhangs going after lunch. Right now we're finishing up the last overhead door. This is a 12 wide, 16 tall. So we just got to fill in some framing. Wind's calmed down. It'll be a pretty nice day. Lots of lumber in the air. It'd be nice to get some stuff covered up. Also, you can see we got an overhang. So this overhang is done, 2-foot overhang. Greg got that done. And that means this side is not far off from being able to roof. Just got to straighten it all out. We got all the trusses up. We've got our walls up. We just finished framing up the last garage door header. And we're missing a couple boards, a couple broke, a couple crappy, so we're gonna get those. God blessed with another sunset over there to end the day with. So when we get back tomorrow, we can start concentrating on prepping for roof steel. That's a good sign. I'm tired of working till 5 though. All right, look at that sunset over there. Look at those towers on fire over there, Greg.
No one look how it's going far.
No. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. It was fun. It was real. It was real fun.